So the innovation starts with the need. Basically, what is the need? So when we search it out, the UNO definition about a disability, because this one is addressing the disability of a children, or disability of a younger one, or disability of an aged person. They say disability may involve physical impairment, sensory impairment, cognitive and intellectual impairment, and mental disorders. All these things come under the category of your definition of your disability. There was an act, basically, every human being has some rights, we also have some rights, and the rights, they put is right to health and right to education and accessibility. If we go by that, we will find that disabled people, they are deprived of these rights. So can we think something for them? All these things I am talking about, how the idea is generated. You can have numerous of ideas, so this one is the process of generating the idea. Okay, then we study something on Indian and global scenario. That was 5 years back. I haven't updated. The number is now on the higher side. That is, in India, 80% of population is disabled. Right now, the figure is around 10 to 11% population. It's a very big figure, because when you calculate the percentage of the billions of people, the number is very big. And the employment ratio is decreased. That is again a very serious issue. Population increasing and employment is decreasing, and only 0.44% is in the public sector. Can we have some mechanism for these people so that they can be self-trained or they can work like us? So these are some facts. If you go by more facts, this graph gives you in percentage. Oh, we are very happy to see that India is here. There are many countries in percentage where people are more disabled. But just check it. This one is in percentage. First country is Finland. The population is very less. Whereas if you talk about India, if you convert it into the number of the people, it jumps from here to here. So the issues are growing day by day. Disability is increasing in terms of many factors, and those factors force us to think in a different direction. When population of disabled person as the population age, now what is happening? Health department, healthcare is doing good. So because of that, what is happening? We are living more. That means very soon you will find the people. Right now, India is the young country where the population, majority of population is in below 50s. We are having a very good number. But since health conditions are improving, you will find that very soon there are a lot of people which are above 60s or above 70s, and there these problems start appearing. Like if you take the case of Japan and case of Germany, where the one can say average living expectancy is around 90 years of age. Here these things start coming. So the idea is like not only for the children, but yes, if we can devise something or we can develop something new for the old people, I think that will be some meaningful thing. Then these two people motivate us. So basically, while doing all these things, these two people, maybe you don't know this person, but everybody knows about Stephen. He is a disabled person. He is having a kind of disability, you can check it. But what about his ideas? What about his theories, cosmic theories, theory of time, and all these things? These things are very, and so that means what? If we provide some kind of mechanism so that they communicate to the external world, the main part of it that I already told you, you have frames and do the comparison of the frames and attach it to your mouse. So how it look like basically? As soon as a person sits in front of a camera, it will open a GUI like this. This is the person, and this one is where which region you want to move. You want to move your nose, you want to move your eye corner part, you want to move your tongue, you want to move your head, whatever you want to move, you fix this rectangle to that one. That you can do manually. So in this process, at least once in the beginning, you need some person. After that, you don't need anything, because that person will fix all this. This size will be decided by you, because if you want to capture whole your head as a movement, you take a big frame. If you want to take a small, you can go for it. So this is how it look like. Once this one is fixed, you just click over here. That means now my frame is connected to my mouse. Then we developed an online keyboard. So this one is online keyboard. Right now, new Microsoft Office, they already have online keyboard. You can use that one. We did in 2008 this part. So we developed our online keyboard. So there is no need of now keyboard also. So mouse is out, keyboard is out. I just need a 150 or 200 rupees a webcam that can serve my purpose. Well, once this one is over, then the important part is how robust or how good is our system. That we can say testing of the system. Whether my system is okay or not. बना तो लिया पर ये ठीक है कि नहीं. So we performed the first experiment, and that is we focus this square at one of the glass चश्मा है लड़के का, उसके लेफ्ट साइड में हमने उसको फोकस किया. And I asked him, okay, you just move your heads and all that. We face some problem, we rectify those problems. People argue that इससे बहुत easy है क्योंकि इसकी intensity अलग है. I mean, that can be a reason. Because image capture करना is easy because the intensity is more. But you just go to the last frame. Here the intensity of the second part is more. That means what? We are not losing that particular reason. That means my movement is very perfectly coordinated. So this one is one test we have experimented. This one is with nose. We reduce the size. Okay, if somebody wants to control it to nose, so this one is nose movement, and that one was very perfectly captured. This one is mouth movement, side face movement. Another experiment. What happens if somebody put some obstacle in between, like the paper is